or last night we stayed at the Triple G in Fort Nelson. It's actually a really nice place. Plenty of pull-through sites. Greg's got his own antlers on. They've got a little gift shop, restaurant, laundry, and pretty nice little place. So yesterday we only drove about 2 hours, but two and a half hours, but we had to fix a solenoid that busted on us. So and then that led to fixing the belts, then that led to fixing the starter, which had a bolt come loose because then it wouldn't start. So now we are about to pack it up for the earliest time we've done so far yet, and get on the road. We just promised the kids some ice cream after breakfast, and we wanted to make sure that we all had a good solid breakfast in our stomachs. So we're hoping to get 12 hours in today. That's the goal. We'll see how far we get. We're getting into where there aren't a whole lot of RV stops or anything really here real soon. So we're gonna get gas, get the kids some ice cream, get on the road. Kids, because it was so late when we had dinner last night, that they could have ice cream after breakfast. Kara finished hers. Crystalline is working on it. Rylan's a mess. So obviously it went over well. Everybody's buckled, right? Okay. I'll go see what it is. You're good, don't worry about it. Wow. It's pretty, isn't it? Wow. That is pretty blue. Sorry for the bug guts, everybody. Wow. Camera, focus.
There's a whole family. Look out your window,
Look
guys.
out your window, guys.
Well, I guess that was no joke.
It's a baby sheep. Baby sheep.
That is kind of cute.
Landscape.
This is wonderful.
This is something else.
Slow it down a little bit, would you? Lovely bridges, though I have figured out that it does make sense, considering the amount of snow they get up here, to have the corrugated metal bridge. It does not make me any less nervous. But again, pretty little river, creek, whatever it is. Come on.
For a couple days.
Don't go running chasing a butterfly.
Not under the water, at least.
With the dog, Kara.
That too.
She's your responsibility, remember? Ryland, Crystalline, quit chasing the butterfly.
Yeah, just eat it already. It's good protein.
Okay, guys, come on back. Come on, guys. Leave the butterfly alone. Let's go. Come on. Ryland, come on. That's fine.
I just want to take a picture of us.
It's okay. Kara, don't run all the way over there. Don't drag Shelby. It's fine. The butterfly's gone. Ryland, careful, please. Pit stop.
I got a video of you. Holy cow, there's a bunch of them. Look out your window.
Look out, kids. Look out the window.
Holy crap.
Yeah, look out front. Look in front of us.
Look at. Holy cow, they weren't. Wow. Do you see this?
Kids, are you looking? We wait for them to get out of the way.
Wait for them to move.
It's like buffalo have right of way here. Oh man, this is so cool.
No kidding.
I never would have thought.
It's funny when they're babies, they look like regular cows.
It's so funny. Oh my goodness.
We were so worried about seeing wildlife and them talking about all these buffalo and well, where are they? Holy cow, they're everywhere. Okay, so we're walking up to Signpost City, is it? Signpost City? Signpost Forest here in Watson Lake, Yukon, Canada. I guess it's a must stop on the Alaska Highway. Obviously, you could see many people have placed their signs from where they've passed through here, where they're from. You got all kinds of stuff here. Oh look, Hicksville, that's where we just left. Just kidding. One thing I noticed here, of course for my wife, was the first one I noticed as we pulled in and somehow got a place of prominence here was right there. And that's Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, if it would focus. Come on camera, you could do this. There it is. Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, got a Wyoming license plate. Lake Coeur d'Alene, that's in Iowa. Denison, Texas. Got stuff from Germany. More from Germany. So yeah, you can see there's all kinds of cool stuff. I'm not going to record the whole thing because that would be her entire video that she's posting. But here's Alaska Highway sign. If we see any other cool ones, I'll tell you, make sure to take a picture. Here we got an Illinois plate. I guess that's for me. And you can see it really is a forest. I mean, you just walk in here and here's Missouri. This is where we just left, or not just left, 2 weeks ago now. You can see it goes on and on in here, just signs left of Peoria, places from all the people that have been through here going on the Alaska Highway. Santee.
That's Texas. That's Houston, Texas.
Look at all these signs. Annapolis, Fort Worth Stockyards. That's pretty cool. City of Irving. Did you see the City of Irving?
I did see that.
Oh, nice.
Ardmore.
Watch out, baby. Ardmore, you said you saw it.
Ardmore right there.
Oh yeah, Ardmore, Oklahoma. Guys, this is why I said stay close. I understand you're wound up, but calm down.
Jerome, Idaho. Man, this is actually kind of cool.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
This is really neat. I wish we had something to leave behind. I bet you we'd be the first Hume or Wheeling.
People left like a spare tire that was blown out.
Oh, we had plenty of those.
Yeah.
Anything. We could take one of the old spark plugs. Something like that.
I like all the foreign stuff, like all the German stuff.
Yeah.
Grob Krisen that.
Hey guys, no, this isn't a playground. You're supposed to walk around and look. Don't touch.
San Marcos, Texas. San Marcos, Texas.
Marcos, Texas.
Wichita Falls.
Wichita
There's a
Falls.
lot of Texas in Oklahoma side.
Whoa. Mama, you have to look at
Guys,
this
you
one.
go to Arizona?
Whoa, white.
Comstock is like right down the street from us. That's like where that
The
Christmas
white
lights
girl
stuff
Judy.
They're like
The Whites, Gil and Judy is what it says.
Mama, come on over here and see this.
Don't touch
There is an
guys.
area there, yeah, because it's Texas. It's got the shuttle on it.
Hey, don't touch. 1, 2, 3. Everyone right here in front of me.
We got a plank of wood. Where's are my nails?
Here. I know. Don't touch.
These are fun. Australian Road. Be careful, be careful.
Well, at least this is getting some of their extra energy out, right?
Oh yeah. Well, this is really cool. And it's not at.
Yeah.
Yeah. And they're having fun.
See, I know that wanting to stop and see things is not exactly part of the thing, but there's some stuff you can't not do.
I think if it hadn't been for the stress and stuff along the way, it probably would have been, we would have been able to do more, but we were already pretty maxed out.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. That's an old school fire truck.
Hey guys, let's go this way so we don't invade these people's time here because we're loud.
Yeah. We're good at being loud, that's for sure. Nothing wrong with that in the right context.
Kara,
Don't
Kara,
run too far, boo.
Kara, I don't want you coming down that way. Come this way.
Not too far, okay? Just keep looking. You gotta look at them. All right. We should be recording. Go for it.
There we go.
I'll get that on for you.
Yep, I got it.
Okay, Mama.
Careful.
Okay, buddy.
Okay.
Got your name on there too, Greg. Hope you don't mind.
I don't mind at all.
Glab and Fields Family Adventure, North to Alaska. 8/20/21, Hume, Missouri to North Pole, Alaska. Got a push, babe. Oh, you got it in. Nice job.
I got it.
There it is.
Look, guys.
So,
There's ours. We left our mark.
if anybody's ever in the Signpost Forest here in Watson Lake, Yukon, make sure to look for the Glab and Fields Family Adventures post. Huh?
I was talking to Kara. Hey, come here, buddy.
It's right here by the tractor in this government vehicle. We got in on the side of one because I used a plank that we used to jack up the RV. Because that was what we had. Make do.
It's at the corner of Casey Lane in a towaway zone.
Right there by the towaway zone.
Come up here, please.
But so our mark is here, guys. Our mark is here in the Signpost Village, Forrest, whatever. I'll get it. I'll get it at some point in my life.
Can you kids
So
say-
now, every time we come back through, we got to find this post and see our post
say
the
we were
first time
here.
we were through.
Just walk by and knuckle bump it.